Hello everyone, this is your Trishita Nowroj. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Today's video is a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial and I filmed it in a different way because I want to give you a chill moment vibe through this tutorial. As you know, I always try to film a tutorial in a different way, unique way. So yeah, this is it. This is that kind of tutorial for you. তো প্রথমে আমি আমার ব্যাগ থেকে আমার মেকআপ পাউচটি বের করছি, যেখানে আমি ভেরি মিনিমাল কিছু প্রোডাক্ট ক্যারি করছি। আমার কয়েকটা ফেভারিট আইশ্যাডো ব্রাশ এবং একটা ফেভারিট প্যালেট which is Colourpop Just My Luck palette. It is a very beautiful green eyeshadow palette. If you are a green lover, please get this palette. I promise it is not going to disappoint you. Well, first I am taking this Chances Are eyeshadow and with a larger shader brush I am applying it all over my eyelid area. Then I am taking same eyeshadow with a fluffy brush and blending it on my crease area. Then I am taking Kiss My Ass eyeshadow. It's a different name, I know, darker than previous eyeshadow, and applying it specially on my lid area. And here I am using a small shader brush. Then I am taking Chances Are eyeshadow and again blending it on my crease area. I have very short time to create this look, so in this way this look is going to look very seamless and well blended. Oh, my food is here. I have to take a food break, by the way. So let's take a food break. Okay, back to the makeup again. Blending all eyeshadows together with that fluffy blending brush. Now I am going to create a glittery moment with this beautiful liquid glitter eyeshadow by Pixie Beauty, and the shade I am using is Sundry. With a shader brush I am applying this liquid eyeshadow all over my eyelid. It is going to give this look a beautiful glittery moment. Now I am taking Kiss My Ass eyeshadow and applying it on my lower lash line with a small shader brush. Kiss My Ass, interesting name, right? And with the wand of this liquid eyeshadow, I am highlighting my inner eye corner. I am creating a wing here with a darker green shade called Mubamba and sharpening the edge with a powder brush. Finishing the eye look by applying false eyelashes. Now blush time. Applying a beautiful rose tone blush from Kylie Cosmetics, and the shade name is Rosy. It's a very beautiful blush for darker skin tone like me. And a little bit pink moment from Ofra Cosmetics. Now finishing off my face makeup, I am applying this beautiful highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And the name of this highlighter is Diamond Bomb. It's a very beautiful silver tone highlighter. To give this look a beautiful red moment, I am using a red brick lipstick from Focallure Clay. It's a beautiful red brick color, and the shade I am using here is 301. Well, that's it. আশা করছি তোমরা এরকম একটি ডিফারেন্ট কনসেপ্টের ভিডিও পছন্দ করেছো, এবং তোমরা যদি এরকম ডিফারেন্ট কনসেপ্টের ভিডিও আরো দেখতে চাও from my channel, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to create this type of video more. And here I am enjoying my favorite mint lemonade. See you in my next tutorial. Bye beautiful.